Okay, let's have example 2. We can also use parentheses to indicate multiplication of rational algebraic expression instead of putting a dot at the middle. Okay? So I already copied the given for the solution. We can do factoring for the numerator of the first factor and also with the second factor of the denominator of the second factor. So let's have first the a minus a squared minus a. What do you think is common between a squared and a? It should be a. Then a squared divided by a will give you a, minus a divided by a will give you 1. Then copy the given here. A is not anymore factorable, so you just copy. Then copy a here also in the denominator. Okay, the a squared minus 1 here is a perfect square. So, and the operation at the middle is, the operation given is subtraction. So, we are factoring difference of two squares. So, we have a minus 1 and a plus 1. So, these are the factors of a squared minus 1. So, we can now do factoring. Cancellation. I think we can apply cancellation. Here we have a. Then we have here a minus 1 and a minus 1. What are the terms left in the numerator? It's only a. What about in the denominator? We have a plus 1. So this is now the product of the two expressions in example number 2. Let us have example number 3. For example number 3, we have b minus 2, 6 over 6b plus 12, multiplied by 3b squared minus 12 over b squared minus 5b plus 6. I think we need to do factoring here and later cancellation. Okay, for our solution, let us first copy. So we have here b minus 2 cannot anymore be factored. But for the second factor, the numerator of the second factor, still we can. What is the common factor between 3b and 12? 3b squared and 12. There's no literal coefficient here, so it's only 3. So we have 3. 3b squared divided by 3 is b squared. 12 divided by 3 is 4. For the denominator, we have 6b and 12. I think 6 is the common factor. Then 6b divided by 6 is b, plus 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay, what about this one? The denominator and the second factor. So this is a general trinomial. Let's factor the general trinomial. B, factor of 6, and will give an algebraic sum of minus 5. It should be minus 2 and minus 3. 2 times 3 is 6, negative times negative is positive. Add algebraically, minus 2 plus minus 3 is minus 5. Okay? But still, we have in the numerator, which is factorable. Difference of two squares. So we have to copy the other terms. So we have b minus 2 times, factor now, b plus 2, b minus 2. Then copy the expressions, the terms in the denominator, b plus 2, b minus 2, b minus 3. Can you see common factors in both numerator and denominator? Yes, we have here b minus 2, b plus 2. No more? So what are the terms left? We have in the numerator b minus 2, and in the denominator we have c times b minus 3. So this is now the product of example number 3. Okay? So you can copy if you wish to. Copy completely and carefully so you will miss anything in the solution parts.